Greetings to you all. I am Hanna, Lyno from VIII School, currently studying at grade 8. Today I am going to give a presentation about documentation of medicinal plants in Tipa area under sub-theme 3, Social and Cultural Practices for Ecosystem and Health. Medicinal plants are plants that have a recognized medicinal use, and it is one of the oldest forms of medical treatment in human history. They are easily available with little to no side effect when compared to modern medicine. Our topic encompasses information on medicinal plants in Tipa town, located in the region of Indo-Burma Biodiversity Hotspot. We study many plants used for medicinal treatment by the local tribes. Knowledge of medicinal plants is mostly acquired by word of mouth, and the knowledge is dying among the youth with the prevalence of modern medicine. Hence, we find it very alarming and essential to decipher and record such information. So, in pursuance of this urgency as a project, we documented all the widely known medicinal plants in Tipa area in a pile of pages. Hypothesis. The hypothesis for our project is number 1. It is believed that many medicinal plants would be found in Tipa area. Number 2. It is believed that documentation can be used as a basis for developing management plans for conservation and sustainable use of medicinal plants in Tipa area. Our aims and objectives. Number 1. To identify medicinal plants in Tipa area. Number 2. To compile a documentary on medicinal plants in Tipa area. Number 3. To conduct an awareness about the benefits of medicinal plants. Methodology. In this project, we use interview, field survey, data collection, and data analysis methods. We circulated a questionnaire consisting of 5 questions among 30 elderly residents in our village. We selected 20 most common medicinal plants from the questionnaire data collection. Field visits are done on the selected plants and are carefully photographed, analyzed, and examined. Selected plants are carefully documented and recorded specifically based on their usage in treating the ailments. Data analysis. In this project, we circulated 20 most common medicinal plants. Out of 20 most common medicinal plants, 3 plants are documented for the treatment of high blood pressure. They are number 1, East Indian Glory Bower, Thuinam. Number 2, Indian Nightshade, Samtokte. Number 3, Garlic Purunvar. And for the treatment of skin, we have again documented 3 medicinal plants. They are number 1, Turmeric IN. Turmeric can also be used for stomach diseases. Number 2, Aloe Vera. Number 3, Japan How Bitter Vine. And for diabetes, we documented 3 medicinal plants. They are number 1, Emblic Myrobalan, Sunflu. Number 2, River Tamarind, Japan Zonja. Number 3, Giant Taro by Being. And for the treatment of toothache, we documented 2 medicinal plants. They are number 1, Devil's Apple, Dotoropar. Number 2, Tita Bark Tree, Truamriat. And for the treatment of wounds, we documented 2 medicinal plants. They are number 1, Exile Oleander, Kuntuampar. Number 2, sensitive plants, Flornoir. Other plants that we have documented for different kinds of ailments are number 1, Whiteberry bush, Saisiamna. Whiteberry bush are commonly used for the treatment of chicken pox. Number 2, Papaya, Timfongma. Papayas are usually used for the treatment of dengue fevers. Number 3, Basil. Basils are commonly used for the treatment of stomach diseases such as PAMS or intestinal gas. Number 4, Copra plant, Delho. Copra plants are commonly used for the treatment of liver diseases. Number 5, Orchids Naubang. Orchids are mainly used for the treatment of cuts by such as knives, scissors, etc. Number 6, Ginger, Sotim. Gingers are commonly used for the treatment of diarrhea. And for the last, onion. Onions are commonly used to lower our blood sugar. From this project, our suggestions are number 1, to give an awareness about the importance of medicinal plants among the people of Tipa area. Number 2, to conserve and protect our virgin forest, which is the home of thousands of medicinal plants. Number 3, to make a detailed and proper documentary about medicinal plants by the concerned department. Number 4, to invite researchers from other parts of India and abroad to conduct a detailed studies on medicinal plants. In conclusion, from this project we found out that the residents of Tipa village have immense knowledge of medicinal plants. There were no side effects reported for consuming such. Knowledge of medicinal plants is passed down through oral traditions without any written documents. Therefore, documenting medicinal plants can be used as a basis for developing management plans for conservation and sustainable use of medicinal plants in the study area. And as I mentioned before, this is our documentary book containing 20 most common medicinal plants found in Tipa area. Thank you.
If you move to national, there is one page number 18 from your documentation book. Now one dried dendrobium media a picture I had dendrobium milwa. She can make dendrobium how tomorrow or get a boat yan. No can support. Annahi yan dan he yan dan and run so. She can make then a quarter of a month. I then I so